Sanibonani lonke, ngegama nguDineo. uDineo wakwaSithole, ngisuka in a small location known as Alexandra Gomora. Ngibhalele la eTsileni because ngifila ngathi impilo imile, it's stagnant. Izinto azenzeki, angikwazi ukuchubekela phambili, and I would just like to know ukuthi ngokwedlozi kwenzakalani. Labantu bekumele ngibabuze ukuthi kwenzakalani in terms of idlozi sebashonile bonke, ugogo boshonile, abazali bashonile. So ngisele ngedwa, like, who really wants to know and really wants to understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. I feel like kumile.
Kunjani? Yaphila nami Nkosi. Unikeza iBhayibhile. Uzocela uvule kubeka i1, ne? Ukhombe, uzawuvula randomly, ukhombe. And then unike mina ngizawufunda. Khomba anyway. Okay. Before I get into ilizwi lakho, I'm picking up ukuba wena ungumntana ohluphayo. Okanye wake wahlupha bathi kunesikhalazo nje phezu kwakho ba uyahlupha, asimazi noba uzothini kuwe ngoba wenza izinto zakhe estradweni azenzela unothanda, ngokubuya uzofuna impendulo uthi impendulo uzazifumana phi ngoba wena uyahlupha. Abantu badala bakhala ke nangeziso manje uzikhupha. Abortions. It's not one, it's not two. In order for you, you need to be open and honest. Zama uzixoxa ubomi bakho because wena uyahlupha. Particularly ke ubona inyembezi zikamama wakho over wena. And mazi ke noba it's your mom or your grandmother, because umoya kamama okuzalayo nomama ozala umamakho nomama ozala umama kamamako, it tends to read the same because it's a maternal energy. Ngamanye amaxesha they will come clear and say mna ndingumakhulu. Ngamanye amaxesha umntu awunento nje as just acknowledging ukuthi ndingumama, picking up the maternal energy. But ukhona ke this close related maternal energy that I'm picking up kuwe that passed on semncinci. And then it changed. Your mother?
My mom passed away in 1 year.
Oh. Okay. So, njengoba bengisatsho ukuba it could have changed the landscape of ubomi bakho. The one thing I'm picking up from mamako is that akakusoli kakhulu. And I think this is why in Walanda, the higher maternal energy, ukuthi like atsala umama bamama ezondincedisa ukuthetha nalomntana, is because as much as bungamazi mama wakho but ulandele ikhodweni lakhe, you followed in her footsteps. Your behavior is a replica. Yanokuthiwa ufuzo liyagqithisa. Umntana mfuzo umzali ade abe more nge-actions. Ubutyhile kuPsalm 88 verse 3. Ngizawufunda ke ndiyeke apha ilizwi lakho lidibana khona. Ithi, for my soul is full of trouble and my life draws near the grave. I am counted among those who go down to the pit. I am like a man without strength. I am set apart with the dead, like the slain who lie in the grave, whom you remember no more, who are cut off from your care. Whatever that has had you deviating from a path right. Not for anyone else but for you. For lamaphupho ubunawo as umntana, because I know where you had dreams and visions and ambition and hope for ubomi bakho. And the question is, konakale ntoni uzobe uyatshintsha and you just let go because wena uvele nje waziyekelela. Because uyafana nomntana obiweyo wena. Thathiwe from kulo mama wakho wayohlala kulo tata. Hence your soul is troubled. Tata, it's blank. I'm not picking up anything from your father.
Why? And all grandmother next.
I think it's blank. It's just the only acknowledgement I'm getting from abantu abadala kuba uyedwa wasolekela mama emncinci, then tata is not there. Like he's not part and parcel of ubomi or has had any impact on bakho. Because I was just trying to get an answer ukuba xa kunje kwicala lika mama maybe utata angaba off.
But the thing is, I was raised by my father's family. When my mother died, my father took over.
Took over.
Yes. So I've been with my father's family. Angas? I have no idea. Yes. Yeah. And my father and my grandmother. My father and my grandmother.
Uyabaflethe ngayo ube ukhulele pha ngamazulu kulo tata.
I'm not pretty sure.
Abazenza into zasiko.
Abantu besonto hanjiswa.
Because uba bebezenza benza nabakwenzela isiko lapho wena so that bazawuphakama abantu bakhona babe flat as because utata wakho akaveli as anyone who's got impact ebomini bakho. Tata wakho uyafana nendoda engenamandla because akazenze ezaa zinto. And it becomes a problem because bendiyenzile kuwe le example. Ngabantu who come from a lineage of people who used to practice, used to have, perform traditional ceremonies and practices and rituals. And then all of a sudden, athi umuntu mna ndiyasindiswa andisakholelwa kwizinto zakwanto, uyabo? What do? You are disconnecting yourself from abantu babo wena. You are disconnecting yourself from wena. Hence, I'm like a man without strength. Wena eyakho indawo is my soul's trouble. I am drawing near the grave. Ubomi bakho is going down the pit. Solution yakho isesikweni, solution yakho kwenzelwa imbeleko. Uzokwaziswa kwabantu abalele ukuthula bakulo tata wakho. Because uyafana nomntana obiweyo wena. Thathiwe from kulo mama wakho wayohlala kulo tata. Hence your soul is troubled.
But then I can't save myself from my end. Like
the thing is,
there's nothing I can do.
Save anjani wena as umntana because it is the doing of abazali. Masithi ngokuthi uyazenzela isiko kulo tata balenziwa uzoyapi uzokwenzelwa ngubani isiko.
So does that mean ngizohlupha for it?
Not necessarily that uzohlupha forever, but impendulo zikutatako. Impendulo with utamkhulu wakho because izinto ezinje zilungiswa and zihoywa ngabantu abangamadoda. Makenza right? Tata wakhe babo mncane babo any man from your father's side
akho
nabo ba practice mama inxa. Tell yourself benza utshintsha ubomi bami andizofuna shortcuts mna ebomini akho mpendulo for mna estratweni no man is coming to save you. So if you think because I'm young and I'm pretty ndizawufumana indoda enemali indenzele A, B and C, ngokutsho ke ndizayivala ndithi ze kube cose kubele kuba ngoba omnyama kuvela ukhanya phezu kobomi bakho kuchume kwande ngakho.
i-reading yanamhlanje ingibonise okuningi bekumele vele ngilokhu ngicabanga kusemcabangweni wami like change ukukhula stop going out nezinto ezinjalo okuningi ngiyabonga uSisinaledi ungisize ngokungibonisa okuningi engikwaziyo and okunye kwenhlawulo vele it was imbeleko le ndaba yembeleko it was a shock to me and very grateful ukuthi ifikile vele endlebeni zami and mina ngizoyilungisa ngendlela yami as much as ngeke ngikwazi ukuyobuza ubaba ongekho but ngizoyilungisa mina ngendlela yami and overall nami ngiyazi ukuthi kumele ngilungise phi I need to start doing better for myself, putting myself as a priority and taking care of myself.
Inyeke nje into emhluphayo kuDinewo kukwamkela ukuba yena unengxaki nanjengoba ke abantu badala bebevezile ukuba ke zikhona ke substances azisebenzisayo ezingalunganga bemnqanda ke nakwizinto eziselwayo ezithi ke zimphazamise engqondweni. Mzansi igama nguNaledi ndithi sekube cose kubele kubhanga ubumnyama kuvela ukhanya kuchume kwande cimako.
Igama lami nguThulisile Lenzi ngiqhamuka eMfulo village ngibhalele ithile ukuthi ngizokhona ukusizakala according to sine problem with our name iletha i-confusion enkulu mangithi confusion ichaza ukuthi kunento eziningi bathi ngokunesinye isibongo besisebenzisa and then ama grandfathers ours kwenze ukuthi ba change isibongo and then basebenzise uLenzi so sifuna ukuthola ihlonga ngemvelaphi yethu.
Dumela ausi ke nna Nthabise Ngwetjana na kwena mang
nna ke na Lenzi ke tswa Mfulo ko Soweto.
So name e ya ga Lenzi ke a mang ke a papa o ke a mama?
Ke a papa.
And mama before anyadiwa ne lo hama?
Lo.
No.
Lo
Lo.
UW.
Ke bona o le motho o a ratehang motho ana le moya o montle wa go khona go attracta batho ba bang but ka mokgo batho ba bang ba go bonang le ka mokgo wena o ipona a go tshwane wena go na le dilo tse dintsi tse ile gore o itebelela ko tlase ka polela e tshwere tlore motho wa ikobonya o itebelela ko tlase and ntwe he ke bona ka re ke ntwe thomileng o santse o le high school o ipapanya le batho ba bang le bana ba bang ba ka mo hae o feel ka people are more favored hona le favoritism e etsahalang ka mo hae and wa thoma wa ba o munyane ka mohare now moya ore ikhopole from the time o santse o le o munyane ka baka la hore le lo dilo tse ding di etsahala ka montle ene as you grow up wena ka mo wena setse wena o ipolaile o sa le o monyane hona le moya wa ngwana o ile re ke a o pick up but moya wa ngwana o go pick up ke ngwana wa moshimane and hona le essence of guilt e ile gore ya trust mo tabeng e ya go lose ngwana and so ngwana o mo mosemoye mo ale moteng a re lokologa o tswele pele ka bophelo ba hao ka baka la hore o itebelela morago o lebeletse di decisions tse o di tsereng o le o monyane ka baka la gore o tshaba go bolella batswadi gore situation sa hao ne le bjang and so mo o le moteng mo kwena o etsang gore ntwengwe lengwe wena o itshwarang e bolle go morago ka baka la gore o tshwere sephiri sa ile gore ke sa gago o nnoshi and ho lebelletse o bona o ka reng bophelo bo bombo against you taba ya hao ya ko high school e o etsagetseng o tlaile o na le di-plans tse ngata o batla o phela bophelo bo boso o nyako ya sekolong se so mara dilo tse dintsi di a o tsena mo tsele mo ile gore le wena a o sana moya wa go lwela the decisions tse ile gore wena o tlhaile le ditoro tsa hao di decisions tse le wena o ka di feletsa ka bophelo ba hao because moya o re wena wa give up, you give up a lot. So ntho ngwe le ngwe e tlang e leng challenge mo wena wa give up. Taba ya gore o skabe ebe le gore wa sokola e bo bona ka re ha o kre mmereko o batlang, ha o kre thuso e o e batlang, o lebeletse thuso gore e tswe go mothong o mong. But ka mokgo wena o leng ka teng o bontsha ile gore o motho ka ba bereka le bana. Moya wa hao ko montle mo tabeng tsa bana, mo tabeng tsa gore you could even be motho ile wa teacher ko Sunday school se wena o na le sona mo pelong ya hao o se abela batho ba bang. But ha ona go fitla mo ka baka la gore o na le di thoughts tse dintsi tsa gore o ka re bophelo bo ka fela ke tlo tlhokofala na ntho ngwe le ngwe ya o tshosa ka bophelo ntho ngwe le ngwe o bona ka re ke attack on you and it's attack and moya o thomile o santse o le high school so spirit se re reprogram your thinking ka baka la gore mengwaga wena o bona o ka re wena o tla bo tlhokofala ka yona ke mengwaga e le gore o tima latse dineo tse ileng tsa hao. Na hona le ntho engwe he ke bolela ka taba ya gore you affecta o le high school o na le moya wa go tshepana too much ene ke moya o ile re koko o a tsang ka mosaeteng ya habo mama wa o khalemela a re ho buima go protecta and wena motho ile gore o rata ke bo koko o rata ke bo your great grandmother ene bana le wena mara he ko lebella thuli o motho ile gore go na le nne o a itshabang o na le a fear of the unknown ene ke yona nne e ya gago e yo batla wa pere tuku e tshweu e yo tla matsogo o opela ko krekeng ho o emelise lengelo ila hao lengelo ila hao le tsoga gona ka mokgwa o now taba engwe hape e leng teng mo semoyeng ba re wena o rata go keep up a front o feel o ka re ba thusi ba hao ba botle ba ka mahare ha mabitla and ho tshwantse o ye ko mabitleng ao o bolela le bona o nyaka thuso e wena o tshwantse o e kry ebe o feel o ka re ha ona thuso e tla o tlhahelang. As much as o rateha re ba convince ka ora e ya hao mara ka mohare o na le pain engwe entsi and holla o lela ntho ile gore e lebane ka mosaeteng ya habo mama wa botsisa gore why dilo tsa ka nna di sa tshwanele tsa batho ba bang ho leletse o lebeletse ka mosaeteng ya di thaka tsa hao walla o re why nna ke shia ke nako mo bophelong baka mara semoya se re gona le mabitla mantši a etsahetseng ka mosaeteng ya habo mama hao mo ile re o tsamaile o utlwa botlhoko mara o feel o kare it is not your place hore o nne o grieve wa dula wa nna o noshi ene go nna o noshi e utlisetsa moya ola wa comparison hore why o kare batho ba botle ba namela nna mo mahetleng ene bona ba phahama nna he motho molomong a founa a re nkeletse something se so motho wa weletsa o feel o ka re ba thusi ba hao ba botle ba ka mahare ha mabitla and ho tshwantse o ye ko mabitleng ao o bolela le bona o nyaka thuso e wena o tshwantse o e kry ebe o feel o ka re ha ona thuso e tla o tlhahelang taba ya go bereka ka bana o fila jwang ka yona ka baka la hore hona le an exchange of energy he wena o ba bela se wena o ba bela hona le ka mogole bona ba fodisa moya wa hao and you could be in a space ya go thoma bana from a foundational phase ka baka la hore the guidance e wena we toting from your grandmother hona le ka mogomong e le re e nyaka an outlet e nyaka go tswa e create the next generation o feel jwang ka taba e ya go bereka le bana.
I don't have a problem but ngayilandelela njengoba ushilo ukuthi I must kumele ngihile kuqala and then after healing ngane ngayilandelela I don't have a problem with it.
O tshwanetse wena self wa ilo cleansiwa wa ilo tlhapisiwa wa ilo rapellwa and wa kra motho o ile gore ke morapeledi a go rute di basic principles tsa go survive o le modumedi ka mahare ha maphelo a batho ba bang fela ba ile gore wena go ba bona ha ona ntwe e bitsiwang the spirit of discernment go bonela motho le go se moyeng gore ke mang ka baka la gore wena he motho a tsena ka mara bophelo ba gago le ditoro no ntse o na le tsona di a felella le taba ya tšhelete ne ntse e promisa wa felella mo ile gore yue wena o tsene o aga mo ile gore le adimisana ditšhelete o aga a future le ena but it did not turn out that way go na le ntho nya go ibutsisang mo papa
ai ke batla fela go mleboa haholo and ngibonge nokuthi usesenathi nalapha khona and then okunye futhi uhambe akujeni yokuthi afix up indaba yesenemi yethu so wafikela ukugula kwamthatha so bengicela ukuthi abasitshengise indlela ukuthi isibongo sethu yisiphi nalapho weza nama-answers khona ukuthi sichamuka kuphi sikwazi ukuthola lapha
because ke bona mo tabeng ya ntate Vuso o re ke re he ke fitla mo teng mo ke leng mo teng mo lefatsheng la batho ba ba tlhokofetseng ke kry le gore le batho ba ne ba tshwantse ba re hodise ne ba sena taba le rona ke bona go na le somebody who is a biological grandfather wa papa gago mo ile gore o felela somewhere mo ile gore there was a military camp and ha le mo o feletsa ibile a sa tlhwanya ka ya go hae so papa o re monna re ke fitlile mo ka kry ile gore le batho ba ne nna re ntse re ra ba batla re tshwantse be mangelo a rena ne ba sna taba motho tsamaile a ilolwa ko a ilo tsena ka mahara mmereko o wa bosole a kra ditšhelete tsa a phela mo so le ena mo a le mo teng ke motho ile gore o tshwanetse a accepte taba ya gore bophelo ba hae was exactly what it was and a re mo ke le mo teng mo ke bonang ke a bona bophelo le bo ka sebe any different mara rena le bana ba ka a re etsa so matsogo o tshwarane le bana ba heno etsa so matsogo le shebele mo saiteng ya modimo ka baka la badimo ba rena ne ba sna taba le rena
ireading yanamhlanje ngingasho ukuthi ivuse ama emotions amaningi ne and then ezinye izinto ngiyazazi ezichamukile and then ezinye futhi zezinto ngizozama ukuzilungisa ukuthi nathi sibe right ekugcineni
Thulisile ke motho ile gore o na le a pure heart ke motho ile gore neo ya hae e tla botse ha bereka le bana neo ya hae e tla botse ha dira dilo tša go apela batho ka baka la gore neo ke a semoya and we humana ka hae mara re humana ile gore go no tlhokofala